Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by capturing readable pages. Position the paper flat, light it evenly, and take a high-resolution photo or 300 dpi scan. Once done, inspect for blur and crop edges so only the page remains. Make sure to save files as JPG or PNG and keep originals in a folder named by date. You'll reduce OCR errors immediately. If pages are thin, place a dark backing behind them to avoid ghosting. This small step prevents misreads later. You now run optical character recognition configured for handwriting. First, pick software that supports cursive or neural handwriting models, then load files and choose batch mode for multi-page documents. Once the OCR completes, export to docx or plain text so you can edit. Make sure to use spell check and replace repeated misrecognized characters. You should review every low-confidence segment the tool highlights. Correcting these early prevents propagated mistakes in summaries or exports. You finish by formatting the converted text. Set fonts, apply headings, and fix paragraph breaks so the document reads naturally. Once satisfied, save 3 versions: the original scans, the raw OCR output, and the final edited docx or PDF for traceability. If you still see many recognition errors, retry with higher contrast scans, correct skew, or use a handwriting-specific model and retrain it on a few corrected pages. That troubleshooting step usually fixes stubborn handwriting quirks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.